Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, such as search engines, social media, email, and websites, to promote a product or service. In today's digital age, digital marketing has become a crucial aspect of any successful marketing strategy, as more and more consumers are spending time online. Here are some benefits of digital marketing. Increased reach. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a large audience in a cost-effective manner. With a well-crafted digital marketing strategy, businesses can reach their target audience no matter where they are located. Better targeting. Digital marketing enables businesses to target specific segments of their audience, such as age, gender, location, and interests, which helps increase the effectiveness of their marketing efforts. Measurable results. Digital marketing provides businesses with the ability to track their results in real time, allowing them to see what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve their campaigns. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional marketing methods, digital marketing is often much more cost-effective. This is because businesses can reach a large audience with minimal upfront costs and have the ability to track their results in real time. Increased engagement. Digital marketing provides businesses with the ability to interact with their audience in real time, which can increase customer engagement and loyalty. Multi-channel approach. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach their audience through multiple channels, such as email, social media, and search engines, which can increase the effectiveness of their campaigns. Flexibility. Digital marketing is a highly flexible marketing strategy, allowing businesses to make changes to their campaigns quickly and easily in response to market conditions or customer preferences. In conclusion, digital marketing provides businesses with a wide range of benefits, including increased reach, better targeting, measurable results, cost effectiveness, increased engagement, multi-channel approach, and flexibility. By incorporating digital marketing into their overall marketing strategy, businesses can improve their reach and effectiveness, and ultimately achieve greater success.